It says frizz-free hair for up to 6 weeks. Who doesn't want frizz-free hair for up to 6 weeks? Count me in. Hey guys, surprise! This is my natural hair. For whatever reason, people think when I blow out my hair that is the natural hair texture that I was born with, and God bless them for that, but that is not the case. This is my natural hair. Ever since I was a kid, I always dreamed of having sleek. I loved the blowout, like a fresh blowout was everything that I loved, and I just had this like thick, frizzy, curly hair that was so hard to manage, and you name it, I've tried it. If it was a hair treatment, I tried it. Japanese straightening, yes. Brazilian blowout, yes. Keratin treatment, yes. Which is why Gussi, I'm not exactly sure how to say their name, they were nice enough to give me this, and I'm so excited to try it. It is a at-home keratin treatment. Now, I don't know what it is about quarantine, but ever since the start of like 2020, it is just a nightmare for me to sit in a salon. Like even getting my nails done is just, I hate doing it. So the fact that I can do this at home and not have to sit in a chair in a salon for like whatever many hours to get the treatment just kind of sounds absolutely amazing. In the package comes a priming shampoo, which is what I'm assuming I'm going to be washing my hair with, and also the keratin treatment, which is called Smooth Operator. Cute. Step 1, easy enough. It says wash your hair. I say easy enough, but if you have unruly hair like me, you know how annoying washing your hair is, but let's get to it. Hello, hi, I film vertically like a dummy, but oh well. So here's me plus a filter, yep. After I wash my hair twice with the shampoo, which is what the directions say you're supposed to do, and it also says to not wash your hair with conditioner. I was honestly so surprised at how easy it was to brush my hair because I've done other treatments before where it says to not use conditioner and it never goes over well for me, but this was surprisingly easy. The next step is to section and saturate your hair, and depending on how long or like dry or thick your hair is, the product use is going to be different. So for example, it says for shoulder length hair, you do 6 sections and 15 sprays per section. Now I'm going to be straight up with you guys. I wish I sectioned my hair more thoroughly. I was just doing it the lazy way, honestly. And you're going to see the results in a second, but just a little tip, make sure you actually section your hair properly. Now here I am getting the front pieces. It says to avoid contact with your eyes, and I highly recommend that. And the directions say for damaged hair, which is what ya girl is working with, it says to wait 15 minutes before you get back in the shower. Which is what I did. So after the 15 minutes, I hopped back in the shower, which is extremely annoying, but oh well. But I rinsed out the product and I didn't add conditioner afterwards. Next step was to round brush your hair with a round brush. And I was already impressed by the results. And I know you guys were thinking, Ashley, you're literally blowing out your hair. Why you're impressed? But if you have wavy or curly or frizzy hair, you know what I'm talking about. An at-home blowout just usually does not cut it. But this one was actually really impressing me. And the final step to seal in the product was to flat iron the hair, passing each section 3 to 4 times. Again, I was way too lazy with that sectioning, but just make sure that your flat iron is under 410 degrees. I was way too high and had a heart attack halfway through, but it all turned out to be fine. Just make sure that your flat iron isn't too high. Color me impressed. And you might be thinking, Ashley, your hair is still frizzy. And okay, when I turn to the side, it actually looks good. Like, I'm really, really impressed by this. And you might be thinking your hair still looks frizzy, girl. Like, what are you talking about? But for me, this is some straight sleek hair. To get this at home, absolutely impossible. The directions said to not condition your hair, and I hate when products say that. Like, I've tried several bonding whatever treatments at home, and when it says don't condition your hair, I hate when it says that, and I don't believe that it's gonna do the trick. But this one actually did the trick. Like, when I brushed my hair, it didn't pull, it didn't tug, it actually really glided through nicely. I can see a difference in like some of the pieces in my hair that I wish, like, the direction said to section your hair basically and saturate each section, and I wish that I had done a more thorough job because I can see like some differences on where like I failed to saturate it really thoroughly. So if you're going to be doing this, a tip is to really actually section your hair and pay attention to how much product you're putting into each section, and really make sure that you get that from root to tip, because I clearly missed some sections. But overall, I'm really, really, really impressed. And granted, I just did flat iron this and blow this out. So is this gonna last 6 weeks? I don't know, but I hope it does. Hey guys, future editing me coming back at you with another filter on my face. I just need to share a quick little update. I don't even know how many days it's been. Maybe 5, maybe 4, but like I just really need to share with you how much I love this treatment. I have no need to come back on here. It's not like they're paying me or anything, but like legit, I'm obsessed with this treatment. I really wish I went through my hair more thorough. I'm gonna try it again because like the results it's already given me, I'm obsessed. Bye. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below if you've tried it or if you've tried anything like this, because I would love to check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.